Hi there. Are your window treatments lacking elegance and style? You're in the right place. Today, I'm excited to share 5 proven strategies that'll help you transform your windows into stunning focal points. First, let's talk about functionality. Window treatments aren't just for looks, they serve vital roles like light control and privacy. Imagine a sunny living room where you need just the right balance of light filtering. Picking the right treatments can make all the difference. Next, consider the materials. Whether it's fabric, wood, or vinyl, each material offers unique aesthetic and practical benefits. Choosing the perfect material can enhance the beauty and functionality of any room. Color is powerful. It can either harmonize or clash with your room's palette. I'll share tips on choosing colors that perfectly complement your interiors, creating a cohesive and inviting space. Layering treatments can add depth and style to your windows. By combining shades, curtains, and blinds, you can achieve a richer, more textured look. I'll show you how to do it seamlessly. Finally, don't overlook the personalized touch. Customized window treatments ensure a perfect fit tailored to your needs and enhance your decor uniquely. As a bonus, consider adding motorized options for convenience and a modern touch to your window solutions. These 5 tips, plus our bonus tip, can elevate your window aesthetics remarkably. Try them out and see the difference. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and engage with our channel for more exciting home decor ideas.